Hello and welcome to another Wicked Awesome Collectibles video. Today we have 3 of the new Cute But Deadly Series 3 Overwatch Edition, and these are made by Blizzard Entertainment. And these are from the video game called Overwatch, and on the back it shows all the ones you can get. So let's see who's in our first one. So here's the blind bag. Does it have a tear strip? Yes. So here's our first one. And this one is Sporty Tracer right here. This one's really cool. Let's see who's in our next one. So this one's a little bit bigger. I think it's a different one. So here's the one we got. Let's get it out of this plastic. It has a little bird. So let's see who it is. This one is Omnic Crisis Bastion. This one's like a robot. It's really cool. So now let's open our last one. So here's our next one. And this one is, I think, Jackal Farah. This one's cool. I like this helmet. It's neat. So here's the ones we got today, and we noticed the stands falling out of one of the bags, and we got the others out too. So here they all are with the stands on them. So the feet just kind of slide in here like that. And then this one also has little squares on the bottom that line up with it. And this one was my favorite, the Sporty Tracer. I think it looks really cool, and I like the translucent pieces on it. So be sure to leave a comment down below telling us which one of these is your favorite, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.